Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American Pickers picking up America? Have you ever heard of Matt Part-Time Pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Buff, Big Buff? You know what I'm saying? From Buffalo, uh, whatever. I can't think right now because I'm sweaty, nasty. Buffalo Picker, him in Glass City and Mess Hall Diggs. Have you ever heard of my boy from Fundmentalz of Side Hustle, Derek, and his girl Regina Michelle? What the hell I keep saying Regina Renee for? Have you ever heard of my boy, Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. Have you ever heard of, what's the other dude name? Yeah, Cali Reseller Luis. Have you ever heard of him, the Slab King? Yeah, him and his boy, the Lone Star Picker. Yeah, they got shows too. Have you ever heard of my boy from North Carolina, some one of them Carolinas? Yeah, Casey. Yeah, he the golf club king. But it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to make a video about, I'm turning my little sun porch into a storage area. Yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see raggedy and stuff. Haven't been lived in or nothing. But that's it. I'm turning the carpet out, clean it up. You know what I'm saying? Putting the door right there. It's all screened in. I got the door already. Well, I've been had the door for a long time. The door been right there. I'm gonna plaster it in, put plastic, construction plaster in here, plastic in here, till I wall the outside. But now this is gonna be the storage space for my all my eBay stuff. You know, so I just want to show y'all this. And tomorrow I'm gonna power wash the floor and I'm gonna paint it. And I'm just trying to get together, y'all, so I can put my storage out here, get it out the garage until I can move it into the big garage. Yeah, I just want to make a 5-minute video about my new storage space. I need it bad. Me and my wife both need it. So anyway, I'm trying to get the stuff out of the house before her birthday because I'm gonna have a big birthday party at the house, November the 7th. Y'all be there or be square. Yeah, but this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah, peace. It's hot as hell out here.